and it was very scary. So I know what Trump feels like today. I ran for Prime Minister of Canada in 2016.
Mm-hmm.
I decided to run for it. And my wife thought I was nuts, but I just felt I wanted to give it a shot, okay? And I had never done politics before. And so Canada's a really big country. And the way the electoral system there as parliamentary works is a town with 5 people has the same power as the 4th largest city in North America, Toronto. So you got to go to that small town. So I got a plane and I flew to every town in Canada from the East Coast to the West Coast, which I'd never done before. Beautiful country. But I learned something. I learned it at a Raptors game against the Mavs. Cuban was in town. You know, we've known each other a long time, and he gave me floor seats. Very nice of him. And I had to be escorted out of the, towards the end of the game because there was some problems with people that didn't like my potential policies. So in celebrity, there are people that don't like you. And I got used to that. But in politics, 50% of the population hates you and some want to kill you. That's way different than celebrity. And
Yes.
I wasn't used to that. And that's when my wife said, hey, asshole, this is not for our family.
Right.
And you've spent millions of dollars on this thing you're doing, and you're losing a lot more because you're going to lose because you can't speak French. And I don't want to die for your crazy journey. And I said, well, I'm glad I did it. I agree with you. This is pretty crazy. But I got, I started getting calls from world leaders saying, listen, we're looking at your poll results. You got a shot here. And it was pretty cool. But then that game happened and it was very scary. So I know what Trump feels like today. It's not good. No one shot at me, but it must be a game changer.
He was very brave in the moment. You saw that he is who he says he is when it comes to his personal resilience.
Still, he has to be freaked out.
Look, I don't like the idea, but I hope that he is, because I think that there is amazing power in perspective. And there is such opportunity because there's such desperation in the country for
He
better.
may be a better man for it now.
He may be. Depends
We don't know.
how he uses it.
You may be right. He may maneuver to the center, and he's got his raw meat Magna guy now for VP.
And he's got a reason to do it. I just got shot in the head.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, listen, literally, I just got shot in the head. It makes you think different.
Right.
And here's what I want to do.
And
here's how we get there.
I kind of think that's a very interesting
And people
perspective.
say, fuck you, you're being pro-Trump. No, I'm pro-America, and I want us to get to a better place, and we're not going to do it
I
without
never
better
have
leadership.
to say I'm pro anything. I'm pro policy because I do create jobs, and nobody in Congress hates me for that.